Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to switch hands in CS2. With the release of CS2 there's been a big, demand for the old school players who like to switch models and for left-handed players to feel more natural. By default you'll notice that all weapons are held and used in the right hand. It isn't really clear why Valve removed this option to switch hands, but it was possible in the old CSGO, with a simple command. In CSGO, you used to be able to use this command to get left-hand mode. CL_right-hand 0. You can see the command is unknown by CS2. CL_right-hand true or false will not work either. Fortunately, at the time of this recording, Valve has not released a way to use the left-hand model in CS2 yet. But it's very likely that Valve will add the feature soon because it was quite a useful feature back then. Pretty widely used. But don't worry too much guys, as soon as the information is available, we'll update you on this channel. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.